Hello and welcome to Trading 5 Talents. In this video, I want to go over how to transfer your open trades from 2022 into the 2023 trade log. Now, this video is in response to some requests that I have had of how to transfer your open trades into the next year's trade log. And there's one of two ways that I have done it. Usually what I do is I just make a duplicate of my current year's trade log, and then I delete all of the closed trades. And so then I can just have my open trades in my 2023 trade log, and then of course change the dates and starting capital. However, that's because a lot of my, I've customized my form quite a bit, so I didn't want to have to recustomize a new form. But if that's not the case with you, I want to show you just how to quickly go from 2022 to 2023. So there's a link down in the description of for the 2023 trade log, and so when you click on it, you're gonna get something like this. And so there's just some simple directions. Just go up to File and then make a copy, and then I'm going to just call this 2023 trade log, and that's just what I'm naming it, and it's going to be in my regular Google Drive. All right, and you see that is here, 2023 trade log. So I'm done with this. I'm just going to remove this sheet. I'm going to delete that because I don't need the instructions anymore. All right, so here's my dashboard we went through already. So we're going to be mainly concerned with the trade log. Now, in order to get your open trades from the previous year, 2022, you're going to have to open that one up as well. So I have that open, and so we'll go to that one. All right, here's my 2022 trade log. And in order to find all of the open positions, okay, the ones that have not yet been closed, go over to the month slicer, click on it, and you want to just clear everything. And you're only wanting to select the blank months, which means you haven't closed that particular trade yet. So just click on OK. So these are all my open positions as of right now. So now I'm going to click on this row number, so number 12. I'm going to hold down Shift and go all the way to the end. And so it selects all of those rows. Come over here and just right click, and then I'm going to copy. Okay, now I'm going to go back to my 2023 log, my new one, which is here, again, confirming it's 2023. And now I'm just going to paste all of these in. So I'm going to click on this, go down to all of those example trades. So I don't need those. I'm just going to press delete. All right, so I'm just going to come back up here to the first one right here, and then right click and then just paste them. All right, so here are all of my trades that have been open trades that have been transferred from 2022 all the way into my 2023. And everything should transfer, including all of your notes, like that. And then I can go back into my 2022 log, and just to avoid confusion, I can delete these. Okay, so when I delete them, so first of all, just note that I have 569 trades for the entire year so far. So once I delete these, delete selected rows, right click and delete selected rows, I still have 569 trades. And that's because this trade count is only counting closed trades. So as you can see, under blanks, I have no open trades. You know, back in November, I should have this many trades, 65 trades. If I select all of the months, select all, 569 trades should be my total right there. All right, so that's how you do it to go from the previous year into the current year. Before you delete the current year's trades, what I would do is just verify to make sure that all of the information is correct. It should be. I haven't changed any column assignment, so everything should transfer over pretty easily. And every time you get or you see that there's a new update to the trade log, then you could probably do something very similar to what I'm showing you here. So if you have any questions, go ahead and leave them down below. I'll try to answer them as quickly as possible. Until next time, trade wisely. Take care.